In this video, I'm going to show you how to smooth skin in Lightroom quickly and naturally using one of the best methods for portraits. This is perfect if you want cleaner, softer skin without making your photo look overly edited or fake. We'll use Lightroom's masking tool so you can target the face only, which means the rest of the photo stays sharp and detailed. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your photo inside Adobe Lightroom. Once your image is loaded, look for the masking tool. This is where the real control happens, because it lets you edit only specific parts of the image instead of applying changes to the whole photo. Click on Masking and then choose Select Subject if Lightroom detects the person automatically. If it doesn't isolate the face perfectly, don't worry. You can use the brush tool to paint over the face manually and refine the area you want to smooth. Take a moment to make sure the mask is clean and accurate. You want the adjustment to stay on the skin, not on the eyes, lips, hair, or background. If needed, subtract parts of the mask that should stay sharp. The better your mask is, the more natural your final result will look. Now that your skin area is selected, go to the adjustment sliders. Start with texture and bring it down somewhere between -20 and -40. Texture is one of the most important sliders for skin smoothing because lowering it reduces the appearance of pores and fine details without completely blurring the face. If you want a soft but still realistic look, don't push it too far. Next, lower clarity to around -10 to -20. This helps soften harsh contrast in the skin and gives the portrait a more polished appearance. Again, the key here is subtlety. A small adjustment often looks better than an extreme one, especially if you want the skin to still look natural. After that, slightly reduce sharpness, usually somewhere around -5 to -10. This helps take the edge off any remaining harsh detail in the masked area. You do not want to remove all sharpness, just enough to make the skin look smoother and more flattering. Once you've made these adjustments, zoom out and check the overall portrait. Compare the before and after if you need to make sure the effect still looks realistic. If the skin is too soft, pull the sliders back a little. If it still looks too detailed, reduce texture a bit more. Small edits are usually the secret to a professional result. And that's it. Using Lightroom, masking is the best free and simple way to smooth skin while keeping your portrait looking clean and natural. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom editing guides just like this one.